Aloha guys, Chef Ippy here, and I know normally we're doing cooking recipes for you guys, you know, easy recipes and all that stuff, but today I figured we'd do something a little different. I wanted to take you guys behind the scenes and show you guys what I do on a Monday. This event's for Hilton Grand Vacations. I come in every Monday and we do this dinner at Anna's Ranch. This is beautiful, and this is one of our oldest ranches here in Waimea. This is for you guys to get a little behind the scenes look at what we do, let you guys in, see what it's all about, and yeah, check it out.
Welcome to Anna Ranch. I'm Steve Best. I'm a trustee. I know you folks are from Makai. Welcome to Waimea, the land of cattle.
That we put on top of the fish. This is like the Chinese ginger sauce. We use this on everything. Put that on the fish, and then we steam it. And this is your style of steaming, right? You just get the perforated pan. All right, the guests are here. They arrive on the bus from the Hilton. When they come in, I'm gonna do a little spiel, welcome them, tell them what they're gonna be eating, introduce myself, and then I'll start cutting the prime rib, give them dinner, dessert, drinks, and we're good to go. Come on, let's go check it out. So welcome, thank you guys for joining. My name's Chef Ippy. First, I wanna thank the Hilton for bringing you guys up the hill, allowing you guys to be released from their grasps and come up and check out Waimea and see something a little different. Waimea is obviously, as you can tell, different than the coast. Waimea is what we're known for is our produce, the soil, it's everything that's up here. It's cowboy country, right? So a little background about myself. I was born and raised right here in Waimea. I was the third grade. I had the decision and I said, okay, I don't want to be the Pope anymore. I want to be a chef, you know? So that's when I knew what I wanted to do. I went to school at the Cordon Bleu in San Francisco. I came back and I've opened multiple restaurants here. We currently have one called Ippy Swine Barbecue, located in Waimea. It's right by the police station or Big Island Brew House, whichever one you guys visit more. And that's open every day except for Sunday. That's like local food. We have a new spot that we're working on opening up. We've done a few things on Food Network, a few different shows. About a year and a half ago, we wrote our first cookbook, the Easy Hawaiian Cookbook. This is a night to showcase the food, showcase what we have here, a little bit about what we're gonna eat tonight. The appetizer, salmon that we smoked with vai vide, which is like a strawberry guava wood. And then we put pickled ginger relish on that, a little bit of wasabi on a crisp. The salad will be passed out to your guys' table. We'll bring that to you guys. That's everything from Waimea, the lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, everything grown right here. It's gonna have a toasted sesame vinaigrette. We're gonna do prime rib, obviously. That's why everyone came, and I didn't see any vegans on the list today, but if I'm wrong, please let me know. I'll run to the restaurant and grab you guys something. So we have Kekela Farm broccoli that we roasted with some pecorino. We have roasted potatoes. We have local mahi-mahi that we steamed, and we have a little bit of like a ginger pesto on that. And then for dessert, we'll have cheesecake with local mango puree. So if you have any questions, let me know, and thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. Everybody's getting their cheesecakes now. Mango puree, Kona mangoes, mango puree. And that's it. See how these things are great, man. It's super fun. I love this because, you know, the hotels do a really good job of capturing their audience and keeping them in Waikoa. And the hotels, the restaurants, everything's down there. I like when they can come up and see where, you know, where people actually live, you know. So yeah, we're almost done. I'm loading up the car. Pre-close, pre-close. Thank you guys so much. This was our typical Monday, Anna's Ranch prime rib dinner. Every Monday we've been doing this. We've been having a great time. We thank you guys so much for joining us, coming in here and doing something a little different. I actually had a good time doing this, bringing you guys in, letting you guys see what we do. We're in the process of opening a new restaurant right now too. We'll be bringing you in a lot more to show you guys how we get that going, bring you guys in on opening day, all of that. So keep tuning in and keep watching. We really appreciate you guys. Much aloha.